Emotional intelligence, EI, is a pivotal trait that paves the way for successful relationships, whether personal or professional. It involves understanding oneself and others on a deeper emotional level. By recognizing our own emotions, we can manage them effectively, preventing misunderstandings and fostering open communication. This self-awareness serves as the foundation for empathetic interactions with those around us, allowing us to navigate the complexities of relationships with grace. As we delve into the realms of EI, we uncover the power of empathy. The ability to resonate with another's emotions creates a bond of trust and understanding. Imagine sitting across from someone sharing their struggles. Your empathetic response can transform a moment of despair into one of shared hope. This connection not only strengthens relationships but also enhances collaboration, as parties feel heard and valued, leading to more cohesive teamwork and personal connections. However, cultivating emotional intelligence is an ongoing journey. It requires practice, reflection, and a willingness to learn from our interactions. Engaging in active listening, being aware of body language, and demonstrating genuine interest in others' experiences are paths to improving EI. When we empower ourselves with emotional insights, we foster environments rich in understanding and respect. Ultimately, investing in emotional intelligence is investing in healthier, more fulfilling relationships, allowing us to thrive in a world that increasingly values emotional connections.